Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin the match by locking one role and one comfort hero. That narrows decisions under pressure. Focus on why. Consistency reduces errors. Once picked, scan enemy draft to select a counter build and plan your first items for sustain or burst so you can win early trades. Make your opening path now, lane or jungle, and place vision where the first rotation happens. This gives you data to force favorable skirmishes. Once you have items and experience, shift to map control and macro. You need to convert kills into objectives. That means taking towers, securing turtle or lord, and timing every push with vision. Make sure to roam when your lane is safe. Set wards, collapse with teammates, and isolate the enemy carry for quick kills. Manage minion waves intentionally, freeze to deny, slow push to build pressure, or shove to rotate, because controlling tempo wins games. In the final phase, you execute clean finishes, target the enemy carry, secure major objectives, and avoid overt chasing into traps. You should finalize fights with coordinated burst or disengage tools. Use split push only when you can escape or teammates can threaten elsewhere. If things go wrong, recover by farming safely, stacking jungle camps, and trading small objectives for space so you can buy crucial items. This limited recovery plan prevents feeding and gives you a chance to turn the game back.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.